just measuring up, and I am here in my mudroom. We are doing a mudroom makeover, which is very exciting because this was my least favorite area in the whole house, and now we're working on redoing it. Right now I am stenciling this wall up here. This is the stencil I'm using. This is from Stencil Revolution. They have some really awesome stencils that you can do on your walls or on your floor. You can do it over tile. You can do it on bags. You can put stencils on anything. So their stencils are really great. And I've stenciled kind of around this window right here. I'm trying to make it look like wallpaper. And I'm going to show you my technique for stenciling. So the kind of paintbrush you want to use is you want to use something that's not too soft. Like you don't want it to smush too much. And you want it to be a little bit rounded and pointy. And that's the kind of paintbrush that you're going to have the best of luck for with the stencils. Now you're not going to get the stencils perfect, but using a brush like this will definitely help. The other thing is you don't want to put too much paint on your brush. You want to dab it at the ends, and then you want to blot it. So I'm going to blot it right here to get some of that paint off of it. You might feel like you're wasting paint, but you're actually doing yourself a favor because then the extra paint can't slip in between the wall and the stencil. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to use is this drill bit right here. And I'm going to use this just for kind of holding the stencil down as I'm painting that area so it doesn't pop up. So this is my stencil right here. I have it taped on the wall. Stencil Revolution makes their stencils with these little things right here, which you can line it up with the first stencil that you did, which is really helpful. You don't have to use a laser level or measure anything to get your stencil on the wall, which is really, really helpful. You're just going to start dabbing just a little bit. And I use this drill bit and I kind of just hold down the part that I'm stenciling. And you just dab it on. And again, you're not going to get it perfect, but you can get really close to the edges with a brush like this and by holding it down. Now there is something that you can spray on the back of your stencil to make it stick. However, if you just do this, you save money and you're not spraying something which, you know, is better for the environment and for your health. So I'm just going to peel this back so you can see how that looks. Ignore that little hole in the wall. I have to fix it. This actually looks pretty perfect. So that was a good amount of paint and definitely a good brush to use. You could try to have a whole bunch of different brushes so you can kind of see what works for you. Some of you might like to have a bigger brush to put on more paint. And some of you might prefer just to go slow with a tinier brush. You just kind of want to experiment and see what works for you. So I'm going to do one more row across this wall, and then I'm going to do the corner right here. We're going to put some shiplap going across right here, and then we'll see how everything looks. Thanks for watching.